Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we'll be delving into the world of Nvidia. We initially shared a report on our website on Tuesday, January 30, 2024, and today we'll be providing you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications so you can stay up to date with our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 5, 2024, our system has ranked Nvidia as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. It's worth noting that Nvidia has exceeded our expectations, with a remarkable gain of 27.86% since our initial recommendation to buy it 17 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 1.64% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees elevated volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend and is showing signs of further growth. There is now support at the previous resistance level of $613.83, which could provide an opportunity for another increase. According to fan theory, the next potential resistance level is at $688.57, which may prove challenging to surpass initially. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 30.21% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This suggests a potential return ranging from 11.82% to 27.33%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is an expected 102.91% change in the stock's value over the next year. This could result in a potential return ranging from 57.80% to 111.42%. Therefore, the stock price may reach a range of $990.57 to $1,327.18 within a year. Our latest update on Nvidia brings you exciting news. The stock price has increased by 0.495% on Tuesday. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, January 30, 2024, the Nvidia stock price experienced a gain of 0.495%. It went up from $624.65 to $627.74. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.98%, reaching a low of $622.60 and a high of $634.93. In the past 10 days, the stock has risen in 8 of them, resulting in a remarkable 11.34% increase over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume has also increased, along with the price, indicating positive momentum. In total, there were 6 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 39 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $24.64 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $634.93, while the lowest price was $189.50. Currently, the price is 1.13% or $7.19 below the 52-week high of $634.93. This 52-week high also happens to be the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Raymond James gave Nvidia a strong buy grade with a hold action. Moving to Tuesday, January 16, 2024, KeyBank granted Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action. Back on Monday, December 11, 2023, Cowen and Company rated Nvidia as a buy with a hold action. Going further back to Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, Wells Fargo also expressed a positive sentiment, assigning Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts strongly recommend buying Nvidia stock, giving it a strong buy rating. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as excellent, both receiving a strong buy rating. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also give Nvidia stock a strong buy rating. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Nvidia stock. Currently, the stock is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which is a positive sign for its forecast. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals indicates a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, we can expect support from the price levels at $612.54 and $528.68. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals might be issued. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 37.96% increase so far. This suggests that the stock may continue to rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, indicating a positive technical signal. Increasing volume along with the rising price further supports this indication. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there is a buy signal. Pivots, there was a buy signal 37 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal occurred 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal was observed 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was identified 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 58 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, a buy signal was detected 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal was registered 60 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 50 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, Nvidia stock has some support levels to consider. Just below today's level, there is accumulated volume support at $531.40 and $495.22. Testing a support level always carries some risk. If the current support is broken, the stock may fall to the next level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $531.40. Beyond that, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $495.22 and $487.16. It's important to note that this stock can be quite volatile, meaning it may experience significant price movements during the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, signaling a higher risk level. Yesterday, the stock had a price range between high and low of $12.33, which accounts for 1.98% of its value. Over the past week, it has shown an average daily volatility of 2.9%. Before we delve into potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This is a crucial metric that measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors have high growth expectations for the future. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $3.76. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll analyze potential day trading levels for Nvidia. Looking at the chart, we can see that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This indicates that the stock has the potential to move upward swiftly, given the right conditions. If you're considering a position, it's important to monitor the volume to determine the optimal exit point. On the downside, Nvidia faces its first support level at $531.40. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, as we anticipate a rebound in the stock price. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Nvidia is a strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Stevens Mark A. He bought and sold a total of 71,648 shares or options in the company. Taking into account the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -34.103. Overall, insiders have purchased 450,407 shares and sold 917,509 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $607.78 with a decrease of 3.18%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which inherently carries a higher level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 91, further increasing the risk associated with the investment. However, it is worth noting that there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 36 days ago, suggesting a potential positive trend. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? While Nvidia holds several positive signals, we believe it may not be enough to consider it as a buy candidate. At the current level, it would be more prudent to hold or accumulate the stock, while keeping an eye on further developments. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day suggests that the current price of Nvidia is undervalued. Looking ahead to Wednesday, January 31st, we anticipate Nvidia to open up $0.683 and start trading at $628.42. Trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's essential to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment decisions. Remember, you are solely responsible for your investment choices when using this information. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for this stock? We appreciate your support, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day. Thank you for joining us at Stock Invest.